One thing I want to mention and highlight is the issue of face coverings. This has come up a number of times. In addition to rolling out phase 2, we put out a health directive to further emphasize where face coverings should be worn. Now, the face covering requirements are in indoor and outdoor spaces where physical distancing is difficult to maintain. And that is included in some of our specific requirements for facilities, such as gyms. As part of their efforts to reopen, you are required to wear a face covering while you are in the facility and while you're exercising. Additionally, it has come up in terms of folks saying, well, I'm out in the park and I'm walking and I'm away from people, but then I encounter people. The goal is for face coverings are to protect you and protect me in terms of preventing the spread. And so what we're asking people to do is, when you are in spaces where you can't maintain a 6-foot distance between you and other people, is to have your face covering available so that you can put it on. Because again, the intention of this is to make sure that we are mitigating transmission from person to person, and face coverings have been found to be effective in doing that. I know this is a long haul, and we're continuing to ask you to do stuff that is not consistent with what our daily lives and normal routines were back in February, but there's a reason behind it. There's science and data behind it, and the things that we're asking you to do are being done to keep you and your family safe, and to keep us from having to, as the county executive mentioned, in a number of other jurisdictions and states across the country, to keep us from having to rescind some of the things that we've allowed to be opened again based upon the data, so that we can continue to move forward. Thank you.